Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we will be installing a unit from Idoli here. This is their packaging. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in our package for today. So this is everything we received in our package. So this is our wig for today, and today's unit is a 24-inch Bodywave wig. The lace on this is a full 13x4 lace, and it has a density of 180%. This is it. The unit comes pre-plucked already, ready to be installed. This is it. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Idoli here, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is super silky already. This is it. I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. So I won't be wearing any wig caps for today's install. I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our unit. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, but this is what our lace is looking like without the foundation. This is it. Just gonna go ahead, put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. Okay guys, so this is what our lace is looking like with the foundation on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using my olive oil wig grip spray to install my wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so I just finished gluing my wig. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off, but this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Okay guys, so I just cut the excess lace off, and I did add some glue around the hairline, and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. But this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down and finish up our wig. It's been about 15 minutes. I want to say 15 minutes, and it's just about dried. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off, and then we finish up our wig. Again, this unit is from Idoli here. This unit is a 24-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It turned out super cute and I am in love with this style. This is it. Super bouncy. This is it. Once again, today we're featuring Idoli here, and this is their 24-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. This is the turnout. It is super cute. I am in love with this look. This is it. It is super bouncy. This is it. Overall, this hair is super silky. The lace smells great and it is super versatile. As you can see right here, I just love the overall quality of this hair. It is amazing. The hair is super silky and soft. The lace smells so good. And honestly, I am super pleased with the way it turned out. I am in love with this look. I don't know, there's just something about this look. I am hooked on it and I am in love. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Idoli here, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. this is it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.